the last question of this week is about RCL circuit or RLC circuit. Okay, it is already mentioned in the question. Okay, so it consists of 40 ohm resistor, 22 millihenry inductor, and 400 nanofarad capacitor. Okay, so we are given R, the value of L, and also the value of C, connected in series to the AC source, which has a peak voltage. Again, we have the peak voltage. So this is our V naught and the frequency of 1.6 kilohertz. Okay, so if you realize in this question, we have a few prefix. We have milli, nano, and also kilo. So make sure you know all the values of this prefix. And the first question is to calculate the capacitive reactance at C. Second question, RMS current, root mean square current. The third question, phase angle phi. And last question is to sketch the phasor diagram, represent the voltage across the components and also the source. Okay, so we go to the first question to calculate at C. Okay, we just use the basic equation 2 pi fc, substitute all the values. Okay, make sure you substitute the correct values. Frequency is 1.6 kilo times 10 to 3. Capacitance is 400 nano times 10 to minus 9. Okay, then you supposed to have 249 ohm. Okay, so if you have the decimal places, please put your decimal places. Okay, then we have number 2. Okay, number 2, we want to calculate the IRMS. So basically IRMS, the basic equation is equal to VRMS over Z. Okay, so why do we use Z? Because we have more than one circuit component, so we have to use Z. Okay, but we don't have Z yet, and we also don't have VRMS, meaning that we need to calculate Z first. Our Z is R squared is SL minus SC squared. Okay, square root. Okay, and before that we are calculating our SL. So our SL is equal to 2 pi FL as 221 ohm. Okay, then we proceed with the calculation here. Then you substitute Z is equal to 40 squared plus 249 minus 221 squared, and your Z is equal to 48.8 ohm. Okay, then we can use this number or this value of Z into the equation. VRMS is equal to IRMS Z. Okay, now we don't have the value of VRMS. We expand the equation. Okay, this is the equation for VRMS, IRMS, Z. Okay, substitute all the values. 100 milli for the peak voltage, square root over square root I RMS Z 0.8. Your I RMS is 1.45 times 10 to minus 3 ampere. So quite a long solution for the second question. The third question is we want to calculate the angle, phase angle. So we have this equation, tangent phi is equal to SC minus SL over R. So it is 249 minus 221 over 40. Okay, then you shift tangent, you press your calculator, you shift tangent this value, then your phi is supposed to be 35 degree. In this case, class, we have at C bigger than SL. Okay, at C bigger than SL. So your phasor diagram is going to be like this. So we have VR, VL, VC, and since we have VC bigger than VL, okay, so we have this resultant voltage. So here is your VC minus VL, and the resultant VRMS is your V, okay, and this is your phase angle. So this is how the phasor diagram looks like for this case.